You upload a short, and it gets stuck at 0 views. No boost, no reach, no explanation. But here's the truth nobody tells you. It may not be your content's fault, but just how you're uploading. If you post the wrong way, YouTube never pushes it in the Shorts feed. Here's how to fix it in 3 steps. Step 1. Don't upload from desktop or Chrome browser. Use the YouTube mobile app only. Why? Because only the app lets you add viral music and pick a custom thumbnail. That's huge for ranking. Step 2. Update the YouTube app and YouTube Studio before every upload. If they're outdated, it's possible your shorts might silently glitch. Step 3. Add a viral sound, crop your best 0.3s visual as a thumbnail, and write a title with your 2 strongest keywords first. Example: garden hacks that works. Never skip the description. It helps SEO even if no one reads it. Bonus tip: upload daily, but especially on Friday evenings to Sunday afternoon. That's the prime window for scroll traffic. Follow this process and your shorts won't stay stuck anymore. Remember to like and subscribe to learn to grow quicker.